You don't need to be a graduate or own a certificate to be able to earn as a teacher in today's world. Today's video, I'm just going to explain to you how you can teach online and earn for yourself without any single investment. So before I continue with this video, let me quickly remind you that I'll be announcing the winners of our last video in this video. So also in this particular video, I'll be announcing the winners of this particular video in our next video. Like, you also know how we do it. Just go down below this video and drop a comment, as we'll be using the YouTube random picker to select our winner. Also, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joachim, and so what I do on this platform is that I show you several ways which you can earn online, and in exchange, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you are about to watch right now. You can as well join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I show you some specific ways you can use to make money online. You can find these links down there in the video description. So without no much talk, let's dive into today's business. And so guys, before I continue with this video, 3 winners will be announced right in this video, and you will see how transparent this is because I'm going to be doing this in front of you. So right now, this is the first website, as 3 websites to be explained in this video. This first website is called Cambly.com. As it says, learn real English, make real progress. So what you want to do in this platform is to click on Get Started. But before you click on Get Started to set up an account for yourself on this website, you can quickly come down here and see some things that you need to know about this particular website. As it says, strengthen your skill in lesson, then keep learning with personalized activities based on those lessons, and watch yourself grow over time. So when you come down here, you can see that you can take lessons from anywhere, do practice activities anytime, keep your learning going with our app. Okay, so you can actually download this app in Apple Play Store and also Google Play Store. So once you download this app, you can now set up an account for yourself. So on this particular website, what you actually do is monetizing your knowledge, because what you do every day is to teach out the particular subject that you are very good at, and you get paid instantly by this website. You can actually set the time you want to teach and how you want your tutors to be. So this particular website is user friendly. What you just want to do after going through all this is just to come here and click on Get Started. So once you click on Get Started, it's going to bring you over to this interface where it says choose how to sign up. You can either sign up using a Google account or sign up with your Apple ID or Facebook, or instead you can just go ahead with your email address. So once you click on email address, it's going to bring you over to this interface where it says sign up with your email. You just have to input your email and put in your password, then click on next. So it's going to take you over to an interface where your account will be created. So once your account is created, all you just want to do is to set up your price and how you want to start tutoring on this website to earn daily for yourself, as you can actually set the time you want to start tutoring, the hours, and how you want to get paid on this website. You can actually find the link to this particular website below the description of this video. And so guys, before I continue with the next website, let's quickly announce our first winner. So what I just need to do is to head over to my YouTube channel. So this is actually the video we talked about announcing our winner. So I just have to come here and copy the link of this particular video, then head over to my YouTube random picker, and I'm just going to paste this, and you're going to be seeing the winner for yourself. So I just need to click on fetch. So right now I just need to continue. Okay, so I just need to click on pick a winner. So right now this is actually our winner, Mmesoma Juliet. So Mmesoma Juliet, kindly send me a message to claim your reward. And so guys, this is the second website that will pay you just for teaching online, and it's called Verbling. Verbling has been in existence for long, and this has actually been paying lots of tutors. Okay, so you can see right here that they said experienced tutors are about 50,000 of them, and there are about 3,000 5-star tutors reviews. So when you come down here, you can see that you can tutor in English, you can tutor in Spanish, you can tutor in French and other languages. So you can actually do this worldwide, and you can earn from this particular website. What you just need to do is to sign up for an account and get started. But before doing that, you can just go through this website and know how it works and what you need to do. As it says, how Cambly works: find your tutor, start learning, speak, read, write, repeat. So this particular website is going to give you an opportunity to teach online and earn for yourself. Right over here it says become a tutor, earn money sharing your expert knowledge with students, sign up to start tutoring online with Cambly, find new students, grow your business, get paid securely. So what you want to do next is to come down here and click on become a tutor. So when you click on become a tutor, you can see it says make a living by teaching the largest community of learners worldwide. So these are the steps that you need to start up with to start earning on Cambly. you need to set up an account for yourself, create an account as a tutor, get your account approved. So what you'll be doing on this website is to sign up for an account, but you're not going to be earning on that account you created, because after signing up for an account, your account needs to be reviewed. Then once your account gets approved, you'll be given a free trial to teach some sets of students, and once that student confirms that your teachings are okay, then your next teaching on this website, you will get paid. And right in this platform, you choose your hour rate, you change it at any time, and you earn for yourself. As it says, English tutors charge up to $15 to $25 per hour. So you can see how much you'll be earning on this website, and you can decide when and how many hours you want to teach. No minimum time commitment or fixed schedule. Be your own boss. Attend professional development webinars and get tips to upgrade your skill. You will get all help you need from our team to grow. And it says teach students from over 180 countries. You can see that there are large audience on this website. All you just need to do is to set up an account for yourself and start earning. With a similar way, you just have to come down here and click on create a tutor profile right here. So you can sign up using your Google account, or you can sign up using your Facebook account. But I would advise to sign up with a Google account, set up your password, and click on get started. So once you click on get started, your account will be reviewed and get approved immediately. So once your account gets approved, you start earning on this website while tutoring people and students online. You can actually find the link to this particular website below the description of this video. Now, before I announce our last two winners for our last video, let me quickly explain how this last website works, and I'm going to announce our last winners for our last video. So the name of this particular website is called verbling.com. You can actually find the link down there in the video description. Right there it says speak languages with confidence. On this particular platform, students come in daily to pay tutors to learn just English. As you can see right here, verified tutors. Our community has over 2,000 expert tutors, all with priority teaching experience. As you can see that it is affordable, as the lesson price starting from 7,770 naira. Verbling provides remote language learning to fit any budget, and is flexible in every schedule. We make learning happen on your schedule, book lessons when you want to learn, and others. And when you go further, you can see that all your learning happens on this particular platform. So one thing about this particular website is that once they found you as a teacher, they are going to select and schedule a particular time for you, and students can get to know the teacher and discuss goals totally free of charge. So on coming to this website, you're going to be given a free trial with students. So once you're able to be effective on your free trial, then your next tutors, you will start getting paid for it. So they want to actually know the ability you have while teaching students on this website. So your free version actually gives you the opportunity to prove yourself right, that you can be able to handle students on this website. And so right now, to become a tutor on this particular website, all you just need to do is to click over this hamburger icon over here, and you're going to see where it says sign up, log in, find a teacher. So if as a student you're actually coming into this website, you just have to go over to find, but as a tutor you just have to click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, it's going to bring you up to a sign up page where you can sign up with your Google account, your Apple ID, or your Facebook. And you can also enter your Google address over here and click on continue. So once you click on continue, you are going to be setting up an account for yourself on this particular website, and you keep tutoring students to earn daily for yourself. And so guys, we are actually picking our second winner right now. So I'm just going to copy this just like what I did before. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to head over to my YouTube random picker. So I'm just going to paste this, and I'm going to click on fetch. Pick a winner. Okay, now we have Umu Sani as our winner. So Umu Sani, kindly send me a DM to claim your cash reward. So I'm just going ahead to select our last winner for today. So you can see me copying the link of this particular video, and I'm still going back to our YouTube random picker. So we are actually selecting our final winner for this video. So I just need to click on fetch. So I'm going to pick a winner. All right, so our last winner is Oluwaseun Usman. So Oluwaseun Usman, kindly send me a DM right now so you can claim your cash reward. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. Don't forget that the links to all these websites are below the description of this video. Keep winning, and see you in my next video.